It was the beginning of a new year. A global e-commerce brand reached out with a challenge to bring together all their marketing and sales data into one single intelligent dashboard. They were spending thousands of dollars every week on marketing campaigns, running ads across Shopify, Meta Ads, Google Ads, TikTok, and Klaviyo. But their biggest problem wasn't spending. It was visibility. They had data everywhere: sales in Shopify, ad spends in Google and Meta, campaign results in TikTok and Klaviyo, but no single source of truth. That's when HiLyst Analytics came into the picture. Our team was invited to build a comprehensive Power BI reporting system, a dashboard so powerful that the entire marketing and leadership team could make data-driven decisions in minutes, not hours. We began with the discovery phase, understanding their KPIs, ad spend, ROAS, conversions, and sales performance. Next, we created a data architecture plan. Step 1. Connect and extract data from Shopify, Meta Ads, Google Ads, TikTok, and Klaviyo APIs. Step 2. Store the raw and processed data securely in Google Cloud Storage. Step 3. Build automated ETL pipelines for daily refresh using Power BI data flows. Step 4. Design an interactive Power BI dashboard with clear visual storytelling, from ad performance to total revenue impact. The final dashboard was clean, modern, and intuitive. It included real-time ad spend monitoring channel-wise, ROAS comparison sales and conversion funnels, trend analysis for campaigns, top-performing channels and products. Every insight was just one click away. The project timeline was 21 working days. The total project cost, $2,800 USD. Within 3 weeks, HiLyst Analytics transformed a scattered data ecosystem into a single source of truth. Automated, accurate, and beautifully designed. Once the dashboard went live, we conducted a training session for the client's marketing team, explaining how to read insights, filter data, and generate their own weekly reports. We also created a technical documentation guide outlining every connection, query, and refresh cycle, ensuring long-term scalability and transparency. Within the first month of using the new dashboard, the client reported a 28% improvement in marketing efficiency, and decision-making time was cut in half. Leadership could finally see which ad platforms were driving the real ROI and which campaigns needed reallocation. At HiLyst Analytics, we believe that data is not just numbers, it's strategy. Our mission is to help brands unlock their hidden potential through intelligent dashboards, automation, and insights that matter. From scattered spreadsheets to a unified data universe, the journey was challenging, technical, and deeply rewarding. For us, this wasn't just another dashboard project. It was the start of a long-term partnership between HiLyst Analytics and the future of data-driven decision-making. HiLyst Analytics, turning data into decisions.